Welcome to homework.
Okay, to solve this question, it has been given that the number of moles equals to equilibrium from the equilibrium mixture is n, and it is equals to alpha plus beta plus gamma. Substituting 1 minus beta for beta and beta by 2 for gamma, we have n equals to 1 minus beta plus beta by 2. Solving this is equation 1. It is equals to 1 plus beta by 2. Here, calculating the pressure of the moles, we have P divided by P dash and T divided by N dash T dash equals to P by N. We get as P dash by N dash into T by T dash equals to 1 divided by 1.5 into 2500 divided by 300. It is equals to 5.556. Moving ahead at equilibrium, we have CO2 is at equilibrium with CO plus half of O2. We have K values like the big of area raised to 3 times to beta by 2 raised to the power 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus beta into pressure by n raised to the power 1 by 2. Substituting the values for this, we have that the log of K with base 10 at temperature 2500 Kelvin. It is equals to minus 1.440. We have K equals to 10 raised to the power minus 1.440, 0.063. Similarly, we have it is equals to beta upon 1 minus beta into 5.556 by 2 into beta raised to the power 1 by 2. This belongs to beta equals to 0.074. Thank you. Hope you